So we said that one thing that matter can do as energy is coming in contact with it is that matter can absorb energy. And we said that it's a function, though, of the wavelength of the energy and the details of the matter, the type of matter. And actually, the Earth's surface, the Earth's atmosphere can absorb, to a certain extent, energy that is coming from the sun. And generally speaking, it's what we would say is a relatively poor absorber. I know how we talked about how water, vapor, and carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere actually is good at absorbing infrared radiation, but in general, it's not a very good absorber. And one of it has to do with gases generally are not very good absorbers of energy. And so things that are poor absorbers generally are poor re-emitters of that energy that they absorbed. So the Earth's atmosphere in general, we'd say about 20% can absorb and will re-emit energy. Compare that to the geosphere, the Earth's surface of the Earth. We said that about 50% of the insulation actually is absorbed by the geosphere. It hits those the Earth's surface, the dirt, and that sort of thing, and basically kind of conducts down through the Earth's surface to a certain extent. So the geosphere is a relatively good absorber, and it's also a relatively good re-emitter of that radiation. It basically can take an assortment of energies, and as it absorbs it, that the geosphere becomes warmer, and it re-emits that thermal energy. So it's both a good absorber and re-emitter of thermal energy. And we said that actually that's why the troposphere, as you go up in the troposphere, it gets cooler because you're getting farther away from that little mini radiator. So one last thing, I kind of want to compare this will be my geosphere. Okay, that's the Earth's surface. And here's the sun out here, right? And throughout the day, the Earth's surface just sucks up that energy, that radiation, and what it has a consequence of warming up the Earth's surface. So if we kind of then consider a snow event, so the sun's gone away, we have kind of a snow event, right? And so here now is my layer of snow. Now, snow is what color? It's white. Put a W for white. White things, what do? Well, they're white because all colors are reflected back. So white has a high albedo reflectivity, and so that snow generally is going to basically, I'll put cool up here, generally kind of have cool conditions over that white snow. Now enters a burrowing animal, or an animal that wants to stay warm. It is quite conceivable what that animal will want to do is, I kind of have a burrowed hole there, basically make a nice hole next to the geosphere, next to the right in contact with the Earth's surface, because the Earth is still re-radiating that thermal energy it got days ago. And the whole part of it, the air is a relatively good insulator, and so it's going to not be it will prevent his or her little animal's thermal energy from escaping. So this is to kind of show you how that whole thing works.